You've probably heard about this cool feature in Capcut, which is called transcribe-based editing and also removing filler words. So, it kind of produces a video where it automatically, with the use of AI, removes those filler words like like, etc. So what we did here is trying out how it works by using a weird example. So what you need to do is open a CapCut, open project, and I here inserted one weird project where I only say numbers and then different filler words. So as you can see here, let's delete this one out. Okay, full screen. Okay, let's start this weird conversation. 1, two, 3, 4, like 5. Okay, enough of that. It's that's why I called it the weird conversation. So now we can do this manually, edit out every part of that like, etc. Or we can click here on transcript. So let's see how it works on this, once again, weird example. Let's just wait a couple of seconds and it should be ready to go. Yeah, it did. So it found out 15 different filler words identified, 8 hesitations, 7 pauses. So let's now hear how does that sound when he automatically removed those. Okay, let's start this weird conversation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. That was a pretty nice conversation. So as you can see, he did remove successfully almost all filler words. Only this one here on the 5 is not removed, but you can do that. You can remove it manually if you want. And this one at 9 also, he didn't recognize. But overall, I would say 80-90% success. And it will do that on your longer videos, normal videos where you don't just repeat words 1, 2, etc. And it's pretty solid functionality that can save you a lot of time. Yeah. So that was it. Weird showcase of transcript-based editing and removing filler words. Hope you like this video. If you did, please do subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and we'll talk next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.